Hi there. I'm Dr. Noel Nelson, and it's my pleasure to share a few thoughts with you today, some uplifting, inspiring, and practical tips to help you find greater happiness and success in your life. Today's topic, on getting unstuck. Change is hard for all of us, especially personal change. If you have a bad habit, or you're in a rotten relationship, or you can't stand your job, often it seems like change is virtually impossible. And so you stay stuck, moaning and groaning, never enjoying your life the way it was meant to be enjoyed. A lot of what stuckness is about, however, is just misusing the past, present, and future as points of reference. So let's get started with getting stuck in the past. That's where you look to the past as a reference for, well, that's how things always work out, completely ignoring the fact that the future is a giant unknown. Now, the past has great usefulness as an explainer of how you got where you are. Your parents, for example, were cold and unloving. You therefore had no role model for a truly loving relationship, and so you unconsciously picked a partner who fit right in with what is familiar to you, cold and unloving. But that's the extent of the usefulness of the past. Once you've acquired an understanding, you're ready to choose what you want to have happen in the unknown of the future. Yes. Well, then there's getting stuck in the future, because that's another place people get stuck, the unknown of the future. You get stuck on the fear of the unknown and ignore the marvelous opportunity the unknown gives you to create virtually anything. There are no limits to what you can conceive in the future, since the future is a wide open space. The future is the perfect place in which to project your dreams and aspirations. Oh, you may not make it all happen, but the future gives you a point of reference to work towards. And lastly, there's getting stuck in the present. Now, the present is for doing and being. The present is a great place to be fully conscious of what you are doing or how you are being. Once you've gained an understanding of how things got where they are, by referring to the past, the present is how you get step by step to your dreams in the future. People get stuck in the present by ignoring the reality of what they are doing and being and operating on automatic pilot. Automatic pilot leads nowhere. So, how do you use the past, present, and future to facilitate change, to help you get where you want to go? Get unstuck. Look to the past, first for understanding, figure out why things are the way they are for you, and then make your choices from the future. Ask yourself, is this how I want my life to look in a week or a month or a year? Determine what your dreams and desires are, and then project those dreams and desires as already fulfilled in the future. Make clear images for yourself of what you want to have happen, and then let yourself be pulled by those images. So now you are not being pushed by a past that no longer exists, but rather are being motivated by the future you intend to create. And then use the present to do and be in ways that will allow that future to manifest. Life can be such a glorious adventure. You don't have to stay stuck in unhappiness. Learn from your past. Set your sights on a wondrous future and enjoy making it happen in your here and now. Thank you for listening to Up, and check out my latest book, Phoenix Rising: Surviving Catastrophic Loss, Fires, Floods, Hurricanes, and Tornadoes. If you'd like more uplifting, inspiring, practical tips and techniques, please visit my website, noelnelson.com, or take a look at my Meet the Amazings Facebook page. Until next time, be well and take care.